But let's run down the aggregates. To the energy we go first. Energy CVOL 62.5, up about 2.5 points today. Hanging out towards the upper portion of its weekly band. The high was 63.40 that it hit yesterday. The low 59.46. So energy vol popping this week. Below we have aggregate commodities CVOL 39.59, up about 1.2 points today. The high for the week 40.39, so right towards the upper portion of its band as well. The low 38.31. Below it we have the aggregate metals CVOL 25.67, up about 0.57 points just today. Pretty close to the high for the week of 26.12. The low is 25.10 out there, listeners. So interesting stuff out here. Metals vol was popping last week and now kind of hanging out towards the upper middle portion of its weekly range on the vol front. Below it we have FX, again, not usually a hotbed of volatility, and that is the case today, hanging out a little bit shy of a 7, 6.98, up about a whopping 0.06 today. The high for the week, 7.05, the low, 6.92. So FX vol not really rocking and rolling this week. Below it, we have the ag products. Haven't talked ags on the show in a little bit. Hasn't been a lot to talk about, with the exception of soybeans. Soybeans have snuck in there a few times for obvious reasons recently. Off to the ags we go, 22.05 in the ag CVOL. Pretty much unched today. The high came earlier this week at 22.79. The low, 21.73. So pretty much a 1 point range on the week for the aggregate ag CVOL. Below it, we have the Treasury price vol 4.89, off about 0.13 today. The range for the week, 5.04 to the upside, 4.6 to the downside. And bringing up the rear, our Treasury yield volatility. Always our highest number on the list, even though energy is starting to catch up. 94, pretty much even right now, off about 3.5 points today. The low for the week, 87.22. The high, 98.13. So yield vol slinging around as it is wont to do.